So, hi dear Libra, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, this is a reading from 15th till the 31st of August, and it's not a love reading or career reading or anything specific. But whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. So let's see. I'm going to tap into recent past, current energies, and near future. And the guidance starting with the overall energy. Libra. Overall energy for Libra people for the rest of the month of August 2024 is, let's see. Okay. So we have the 10 of Pentacles, very focused on money, job, career, family, or people who are like family to you, spending money on family or gathering money for family. It's like all about financial stability and a happiness of your family or people who are like family to you. Okay, creating a family kind of base, creating a family kind of foundation for you. Okay, solid foundation. Let's see in the recent past what was happening, Libra. Okay, so in the recent past, we had the Temperance card. You were being very patient about a particular person or situation. You were trying not to lose your control, not to lose your temper, or not to get upset about something or someone, not to get angry, and you were trying to deal with the situation with a lot of patience, as much as you could. Okay. Now, in the current situation, we have the Nine of Swords. You are not able to sleep at night. Something is kind of bothering you, or something is keeping you up at night. You are trying your best not to think negative or not to go in that direction in a negative way, but the more you are trying to fix it, I think the more it's getting out of hands. We will clarify these cards one by one and we will get the clear picture. By the end of this month, we have the Wheel of Fortune, so something will start shifting, something will start flipping. Okay, we will see what that is, but the wheel is definitely going to turn by the end of this month. Okay, let's clarify the Temperance in the recent past for you guys, Libra. Yeah, I have to see if the light is blinking or not. Cool. Let's see the Temperance here. We have the Two of Swords, the Emperor, and the Seven of Wands, right? You were on the crossroad. You were on the crossroad regarding a particular situation, regarding a particular direction in your life. You were trying to take a stand for that situation. You were trying to make a decision, but the more you were trying to, be in that one decisive mindset, you were not able to do that. So you were being extra patient. You were being extra compassionate. You were being in this energy of, okay, I am going to take a stand for this situation. I am going to decide for the situation, but let me be very patient about it. Let me not lose my temper about it. Let me take it slow and steady. So you were trying your best to make a decision, make a choice that was best for everyone involved in that situation, with a lot of patience, with a lot of grace. Okay, now currently you are stressed out about something kind of beyond words, stressing the hell out of you. Something is stressing the hell out of you. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords here as what is happening right now at this present moment. We have the Justice, the Six of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Right now you are doing the right thing. See, something you are trying to move on from, something you are trying to let go of, something you think is the right thing to do. It's like physically you are trying to move on or let go of something or someone out of your life, out of your system, but inside of you, you are feeling left out in the cold. You are feeling the loss of the situation. You are feeling like something or someone did something really wrong with you, or the universe is doing injustice with you. You are trying to find the balance. You are trying to find a middle ground in a situation where you are feeling completely broken in some way, shape, or form. So right now you are very stressed out because you are trying your best to make a choice, make a decision that is actually a justice from your side. According to you, this is the right thing to do. So you're trying to do the right thing because you're stressed out, because you are feeling left out in the cold, because something is making you feel like not so good about it. It's like you are feeling very bad about something or someone, and you're trying your best to move on and let it go, but you're not able to do that. But you're trying anyway. By the end of this month, the wheel is going to turn in your favor. Okay, let's see. Wheel of Fortune. Let's clarify the wheel. We have the Six of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. Something from your past is coming back around, and this time it's going to make more sense to you, with a lot of stability, with a lot of grace, with a lot of maturity, with a lot of this energy of safety, security, and groundedness. So it's like something from your past is coming back around in a very, very positive, in a very, very beautiful way. Now it could be past investments, it could be a past job offer, it could be a past career offer, it could be something, some kind of money losses, or some kind of money that was stuck in the past is coming back around. Or it could be a connection that you were trying to leave behind, or something happened between you guys but you were not able to make that connection work out at that time. Now by the end of this month, there are good chances that something will start working out in your favor, something related to your past investment, whether it was a connection, whether it was a job career opportunity, whether it was a health or relationship issue, a health issue, whatever it was. Something from your past is coming back around in a very, very positive way, and this time it's going to be quite promising, quite mature, quite grounded. Take it how it resonates with you. It can be in any area of in any area of your life. Now don't get stuck on love only, like, oh my god, somebody from my past is coming back around. If it is not possible for you guys to be with somebody from your past who's already gone, who's already done with you, and there's no way that this person is coming back, now don't make false hopes, don't make illusions or delusions in your mind and living in that dreamland or fantasy land. It could be some kind of investments, it could be some kind of losses that you will be able to recover. It could be again, it could be health related, it could be money career related, it could be some kind of past investments that you made in some way, shape or form in something, and now that is coming back around. So it is like something coming back around in a very, very positive way. It's like you getting positive karma because you did something good in the past for something or someone. So that's really cool. Getting the positive karma, getting the results of your positive karma. Yes, coming out of a situation where you felt like betrayed in some way, shape or form by the universe itself. So you are coming out of that finally and moving ahead to a very, very, very stable and very good energy, slowly but surely. It's like slow and steady process. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Libra, for the rest of the month of August 2024. Let's see what's happening. We have the Three of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles. Yes, you're trying to create a family kind of a dynamic. You are trying to create stability to yourself, to your people, to people who matter to you. And right now you are feeling like you yourself is not having any kind of energy left, or you yourself is not able to take care of yourself only. So how you will be able to manage other people, other situations, other connections, or other things? Right now you are going through a period of pain, a heartbreak. Okay, so see, instead of trying to fix things for others, try to fix it for yourself first. Okay, when you are going to be fixed yourself, when you are going to be in a happy and healthy kind of a connection with yourself, then only you can provide happiness and healthy kind of energies to other people, other situations, including your family, including your family kind of dynamics. If you yourself is going to be heartbroken, you yourself is going to feel like, okay, nothing or no one on this planet earth is good for you, or nothing is making sense to you, or everything sucks, or everyone sucks, how can you be able to keep other people or other energies happy, or other energies in a stable kind of energy? It's stupid, right? So to keep others happy, you have to keep yourself happy and stable first, then only it is going to work out for others. Start with yourself, then go to the next people, next to next people, next energy, next connection, whatever that means to you. Yeah, whatever is applicable in your case. So this is what I have for you. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.